Hey guys, okay, so we're unboxing the K-Rock Slider Low Pro RZR in black. This is for the Polaris RZR 2024 XP1000. Okay, so what do we got here? Hardwire installation instructions included. You know how we like to use instructions. Box of hardware as described with instructions before you begin. Okay. It's actually empty. It's literally empty. Yeah. It's a box of air. Okay. All right. Let's see what's left in this box here. Okay, it's pretty nice. What we'll do, so we'll take one of these bolts with a washer on it and just slide it in here. Then you'll use this piece, and then this piece, and you do that for all three of them. So right here I've got it showing. The first piece with the square actually lines up with the square inside of here, so it should, once it all lines up, it's going to lock right inside of that. I put my blue thread lock tape in here before the bolt pushes through. That way I get a little bit of threads with the Loctite on it. What we're going to do is we're going to take this to the machine. We're going to use a torque wrench to put her down to about 74 foot-pounds, and then it will be pretty much installed. So once I get it to the machine, we'll get right back to you. Alright guys, so I got this assembled sitting at the machine. Threw some blue Loctite on all three of these assembled units here. I made this one just a little bit more snug than these, and you'll see why in a second here. You go to throw this in this hole, it's better to have it just a little bit more rigid, and then you just have to line these up to slide in the hole. So we got that slid in, this one slid in. All three of them are now slid into place. You take this drill, snug it up a bit so it doesn't move anymore. All three. £74. And I'm going to torque all three of these up, and then she'll be good. It's all torqued up. Now we're just going to shove these into the holes. Just give them a little tap. So we've got the low profile rock slider installed. Plugs are on. I've bolted it and did blue thread lock on it. I assume I should hopefully never have to remove that.